Guys, this is me, Christina Marie. I am doing a lip demonstration for you guys today. I am obviously doing the pink look today, so I thought I would try this lip stain. It's called Pink Petal by e.l.f. I think it's like $1 or $2 at the store. I've never tried one of their lip stains, so let's go ahead and open this bad boy up and see what it looks like on the lips. Is this worth it? Is it not? A lip stain, when I think of a lip stain, I think of a more natural lip, so let's go ahead and just put it on the lips. But before we put it on the lips, if you could push that thumbs up button, the little subscribe button, and the tiny little bell next to it, let's go ahead and just jump straight to that demonstration. So it feels like I'm working with a Sharpie. It really literally feels like I'm working with a Sharpie. It is very like, yeah, there's no other explanation. You cannot push your lips together because it dries almost immediately like a Sharpie. Then the tip dries out somewhat. It looks very patchy. It's very like, I don't know, like it's not, it's like watery. It's exactly like a marker. There you go, how a marker's like watery, but then it dries really quick. Now it's getting too dry. Is there something to push? No. Okay guys, so unfortunately, I don't like it. It kind of dries out a little bit. It does dry out, and there's like nothing to push to get more liquid out of it. But then again, like, just look. So do you see how patchy that is? There's like darker on this spot, lighter on that spot. I don't like it. I think it's a little bit difficult to work with. So I'm actually gonna say go ahead and pass on this, which I'm actually surprised because e.l.f. products are usually very good, but I dislike the fact that it's not even and it doesn't look very good on the lips. So I'm unfortunately gonna have to give this a thumbs down. You guys tell me, have you tried this? Maybe you've had a better experience with this. But so far, I'm gonna give this product a total thumbs down, and I hope you guys give this video a total thumbs up. I'm Christina Marie, I'm out, bye.